Eastern Voice and Data.
Hi, I'm Andy from Eastern Voice and Data. Let's have a look at our hosted telephone system. I'm going to log in via my internet browser. I'm using Chrome, but you could use Firefox or Internet Explorer or loads of different browsers. This is the phone system and how you can control your own telephone calls. So to start things off, let's have a quick look around this home screen. So at the top, we can read exactly what's going on. So if I want to take a look at how to make alterations to the call setup, all I do is click on it and then we can see exactly what comes up. So do I want to alter how my incoming calls are answered? Let's have a look. Well, at the moment, if I'm busy, you can see that my calls will be sent to voicemail. I could immediately turn this over to forwarding the call to another destination, for example, my mobile number down here. If I don't answer the call at the moment, after 5 rings, the call will go to voicemail. And if I'm completely unreachable, say for example I've unplugged my phone or I've had a power cut, then at that point all of my calls will be diverted to this number. Okay, let's see how we swap this about. So for example, if I don't answer, now what I want to do is to have the calls go to voicemail after 7 rings. I hit save and that is exactly what will happen. It really is as easy as that for you to program how you want your phone to ring. As it happens, I don't want that to happen, so I'm going to go back to 5. I'm going to hit save. Let's have a look at some really useful things here. So for example, the twinning. What this allows you to do is to twin your phone with your mobile. So if I wanted to do that, all I would do is press that to go on. You can see here, this is my mobile number. If I just hit leave it like this, pardon me, then at that point my phone will ring and my mobile will ring. As it happens, I don't want that to happen, so I'm going to turn it off again. The blacklist. The blacklist is a list of numbers. As you can see, I haven't got anyone in here. A list of numbers that you don't want to be able to call you. It might be someone who's hassling you for advertising, anything. You put their phone number in here and add it, and at that point add, hit save. Anyone with that phone number will now not be able to ring me. As simple as that. All they will hear is endless ringing. They won't get a busy tone, just ringing all of the time. Fantastic, fantastic function. Let's have a quick look at settings. And we can see here they really speak for themselves. So do you want to be rung by people who withhold their numbers? Well, I don't mind that, so at the moment I've got it off. If I want it on, I just turn it on. In this instance I'll turn it off. Enable music for calls on hold. Well, I like that, so it's on. The caller ID, we look at that, that's on. And I can alter all of this very, very, very easily by clicking a button and then hitting apply. In this instance, I'm not going to go into Do Not Disturb. Some more advanced but very, very useful things that this system can do. So call notify. Effectively, if I turn this on, what will happen is I will be able to get an email sent to me. All I do is hit save, and now whenever someone calls me, I'll also get an email to say that this phone number has called me. Now at this point you can see that it's set up to notify me all the time. Well, do I really want an email at night to let someone know that I've been called? I don't. So what are my opening hours? I haven't put them in, but you can see that this is very, very simple to alter, and that's the whole point of this system. You do what you want to do. In this instance, I'm going to turn it off again. I'm going to hit save. And then you can see here it's been updated successfully. Sequential ring, what a fantastic function this is. So effectively, all I do is put some phone numbers in here. So let's pop the office number in. And here it is, you can see. We've popped it into here. In this instance, obviously, I've used Chrome to auto-fill that. I don't want to do that because it's going to tell me I can't. So in this instance, I'll just get rid of these so that it doesn't give me a fault line. Obviously, I can't sequentially ring the same number 28 times. Okay, so now what I've done is I've set it up so that this number is in my sequential ring list. Now what that means is that to start with, my phone rings and then the office phone will ring after 5 rings. So my phone will ring, the office phone at this point won't be ringing, and then in 5 rings the office phone will ring. And again, I'm going to turn that off because I don't want to use that, and hit save, and we can see again it's been updated. And you can have up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different numbers. I wouldn't recommend using 5 rings for all of those for obvious reasons. It would take forever for someone to actually get answered. The busy lamp field, what that does is it shows you who else is available to call on your phone system. In this instance, I don't have it set up, but you can effectively see who's on the phone and who isn't. Speed dialing, again, 1-digit dialing. So for example, to ring the office, all I do is hit *2 and the office number is called. *3 will ring my mobile number.